Quick note for all the Redcat Ascent owners out there. I screwed this up pretty badly. I was trying to get the stock Redcat tires off of the factory wheels in order to swap in and upgrade to some trail wheels that I have here. It'd be nice. It'll look great. I started with my go-to. My go-to is a heat gun, and I usually warm up the rim, and usually you can hear the glue crackle a little bit as it starts to release, and then you just pull it right off. It works great. I've used it that way on a bunch of different vehicles. It's always worked. Nope. Whatever glue they use on here is so good, the glue wouldn't loosen up, and as it continued to heat up, the rim just started to actually just melt. So that was fail number one. I then took them inside and actually did the boiling method, where you put them in a pot and you actually boil them in hot water. I boiled them for over 30 minutes, took them out, and as I tried to pull the tire from the wheel, the wheels just squished. Again, the rims were just absolutely soft. They had softened up, and the wheel and the rims were just starting to squish and to melt themselves. The glue was still super strong. So the third method that is very common is you put these kind of over some acetone. So I have a 5-gallon bucket. I put some acetone in the bottom of it. I rigged something up to kind of keep the tires up and out of the acetone itself to just get the fumes in. And guess what happened? It still melted it still melted the wheels, and it melted them big time. Look at this. It's an absolute mess. So a couple things. One, I guess kudos to Redcat for the glue that they found to get the rims onto the tires is amazing. It is very, very strong. But the really good news is straight from Redcat, you can get them $15 with foams for a pair of them. So $30 for all 4 tires is a really, really good deal. So mine will be on the way. Maybe they'll be here tomorrow, the day after. So I will have some new. So I'm going to keep using them for $30. I'm going to just buy some brand new ones. Heads up to any Ascent owner out there. If you found any solution to get these tires off these wheels without melting the rims, let me know.